Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline Kombi. This Transporter comes in a long wheelbase with a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out 150 PS. It also comes in a pure grey colour with a solid finish. Starting off with the front exterior features, this Transporter comes with front parking sensors for extra confidence and safety when you are manoeuvring the vehicle, as well as front fog lamps with the cornering function. This Transporter sits on 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels in silver. You also get an alloy wheel security locking bolt system as well as steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving around to the back, the rear exterior features include a tailgate with heated rear window plus wash wipe system as well as rear parking sensors for extra bit of safety when you are parking the vehicle. Opening up the tailgate, you are greeted with a very spacious loading area which also is rubber floor lined. This just adds an extra bit of durability when you are putting in and taking out your equipment and belongings. To enter the rear seats, you have twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. This just adds a bit of extra convenience when you are trying to enter the rear seats and you are parked on either side of the street. At the front, you have two passenger seats that are covered in bricks woven fabric upholstery in titanium black as well as the three rear seats. Both seats come with armrests for extra bit of comfortability. You also have an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system which allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations and go through the list to see which one you would like to pick, as well as being able to connect your device to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Bluetooth. You can also use the inbuilt navigation system to help you on your journey ahead. In front of the driver's seat is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows the driver to skip through their favourite songs, control the volume, answer calls and use inbuilt cruise control. That's it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T38 Highline Kombi. Thank you for watching and goodbye.